You've seen the hype about Coderabbit, but is it actually worth your time or just another AI toy? Let's find out. Coderabbit positions itself as an AI coding tutor, pair programmer, and debugger rolled into a one sleek interface. You enter a problem or upload a project, and it helps you build or refactor your code line by line. The standout feature, its real-time conversation window. You can ask, "Why is my loop not breaking?" and it'll explain and suggest a fix. It also learns your style over time, meaning the more you use it, the smarter and more tailored it becomes. Unlike Pilot, Coderabbit leans heavily on teaching you why, not just giving you the code. It is ideal for beginners, boot campers, or even experienced devs brushing up on new languages. But it's not perfect. It lacks IDE integration for now and can get confused on very niche bugs. Still, for $0, it's hard to beat. You can have a free trial right here, but they also have prices if you want to have a subscription. They have the free version, the light version, which is $12, and then pro version, which is their most recommended version, at $24, and then you can also avail their enterprise for large enterprises. This is how to literally, and if you want something smarter than ChatGPT but lighter than full ID assistance, Coderabbit is absolutely worth your time.